Now we'll talk about some points which are important to consider while using trigger context variables. The number one is trigger.new and trigger.old cannot be used into a DML operation or with a DML statement. What that basically means is that you cannot actually write down insert trigger.new or trigger.old or update trigger.new, trigger.old. That's not possible. This will give you an error. Second point, trigger.old is read only always, and trigger.new cannot be deleted. The fourth point, which is very simple but a very important point, is upsert and merge database operation does not have their own triggers. Why? Because they fire the relevant triggers according to the events that are happening as a result of upsert or merge operation. Now, to understand the upsert and merge database operation, let's have a look over here. So in case of upsert operation, the records which are getting inserted fires before and after insert triggers, of course, and the records which are getting updated fires before and update triggers. So it's very simple. Upsert is just update plus insert. So according to the operation which is happening to the particular records, it will fire the triggers. And in the case of merge operation, the records are deleted due to merge operation, fires a single delete event, and the master records files a single update event. So basically, like, let's say there are two account records to which we are merging, account 1 and account 2, and while we are merging account 1 and account 2, what is happening is this account 2 record gets deleted, and these contact gets associated with account 1, which were earlier associated with account 2, and now the update operation gets fired for this account 1. So this is basically what happens in the case of upsert and merge operation.